Welcome to Karina Cooks. So we're making roasted chickpeas two different ways, sweet and savory.
What is the sweet way?
Cinnamon sugar and some syrup, yummy maple syrup, and sugar.
And then what are we doing for the savory?
For the savory ranch, we're gonna use parsley flakes, and we're gonna use some onion powder, like we always use for chickpea salad, and some garlic powder, like we always use for chickpea salad too, and some dill weed chopped. And we already rinsed and dried these. So we're gonna use some oil, 2 tablespoons. You don't want to use too much salt, but just do like this much, or a little less, probably like a teaspoon, right, Mom? Alright, now let's mix it. You want to be really careful on not to smush some or spill it. I mean, it's okay if you spill it. When you make a mess, it will taste better. It's true. Alright. Now it looks like they're ready for the pan. As you can see, I spread them out, and we're gonna put them in the oven to 30 to 40 minutes.
I'm just gonna open it for you.
And I have kid gloves on, so I'm fine. And I've used ovens before, but never put them in. But I know they're ready.
Yep, you guys are watching. First time.
First time doing it!
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna make our seasonings. We're gonna do the savory ranch. Oh. So we already got these pre-made, just so you guys can see what we're using. And then next, we're using the, you don't have to do the exact same order. We're doing onion powder, and the garlic powder, I think, right? Yeah, this is garlic powder. The garlic powder smells so good. Ooh, yeah, this is the dill weed chop. It smells good, actually, too. Kind of looks like grass, doesn't it?
It totally does.
Like, let me show you. Let me go get a spoon. Kind of like a beak with like some leaves. Okay, we're gonna set it aside. It smells really good because I love ranch. And take the sweet. Let's use our cinnamon. Oh, I love cinnamon buns. They're like my favorite. Especially with the glaze. Oh, they're so good. All right. And then our maple syrup. No, I wanna do it last, actually. Now our maple syrup. Oh, it smells like Christmas. Like, it actually really does smell like Christmas. I wish you guys could smell this through the camera. All right, now we're gonna put this aside and wait for the chickpeas are completely roasted.
As I see you soon.
Stewing for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, now we're gonna do a quick check of the chickpeas. So about every 10 minutes, you want to move them up. We just took it out of the oven, so we're gonna pour it into the sweet and savory. But we accidentally burned ours a little too much because we accidentally did it 45 minutes. So we're putting them in. As you can see.
And you want to make sure to do it while it's very hot.
I would say the sweet is probably perfect for Christmas. It smells really good.
You want to give it a taste? All right, now I'm going to mix up. How is it? Uh-oh. That's good.
So good. Except about how we overburned it. All right, so we're gonna put the savory on here. Some savory in here. And then some sweet. And you know who I'm giving this to? They're a little overburned.
Oh, wow.
This is sweet, and this is savory right here.
Okay. Let me try. Can I use a spoon?
Mm-hmm, of course.
Thank you.
You can see why savory is my favorite.
I really like this. This makes like a great
All
snack
right, now
for when you're watching
you can try
movies.
this.
So let me try now the sweet one. Very nice. Very nice.
Bye. Savory is gonna be ranch, and we're gonna use some parsley snakes.
Parsley flakes.
Cut.
Did you cut yourself? Don't actually cut yourself.
But also not 30 plus 40. Definitely not 30 plus 40. Definitely not 70 minutes. Just keep it to